All right, we're entering into the end of the Soledad Canyon Trail, and there's supposed to be a waterfall up here. There's Eileen making it. She cut her leg up. She's a trooper right there. And JB's been excited about this from the start. Maybe we're gonna make a little crocodile hunter out of him. And we got an awesome canyon right here.
Okay, let me see. Wait, be quiet, camera.
Right here, we got awesome canyon.
I do hear it. Dad, do you hear it?
And
I've never been so excited to hear water before.
this right here is, I don't know what day number we are into our quarantine, but this has been one of the best things because we got time to get out and do all kinds of things right now. But I've never been this far back in Soledad Canyon. It's pretty awesome.
Look at me. Pretty good picture. Wait.
Hey! There's a little echo in here. There's a picture of Lauren posing.
Say peace, babe.
She is
Hello!
15 years old at this time. Still waiting to grow.
And I am 10 years old.
And there's Juice Box that's about to have his 11th birthday on May 3rd.
In quarantine.
But there's probably not going to be able to have a birthday party. So we'll have to go on a birthday hike to Rio Doso. Oh yeah.
For my birthday?
Look at all those yuccas. That's amazing up here in this canyon. We got some forest up there. Pretty cool. We got a rock that's ready to fall on us.
But they had to stop it. They're not working on it.
Hey, that rock's gonna fall straight on us. There's a snake den back there.
No, is it close by though? Oh yeah. Oh, okay, thank God. Thank God.
We're coming back under this big old rock right here.
Alright, you guys get up there so I can picture you.
See what's going on up here. Nice little trail. Some good places for Isaiah to come to.
For real. Isaiah will be right there. Look at me, guys.
You can hear the water from here.
Are you done vlogging?
Should I stop it?
Look what I was doing.